Welcome, welcome to my channel. Yes, we come to talk about bad mind today. Yesterday we did talk, keep Sunday school, and we did forget to call certain people, telling them I keep Sunday school. And the person we want to talk to now is Marcia. Yes, Marcia come out after Dana signed her contract, and she talk, say she signed contract with God and all kind of thing. But no, sir, that the way she not going, that sound like bad mind to me. That's a bad mind. That's evident. Say a bad mind or she a go on. Yes. Anyway, yes, Dana signed a contract. Congratulations to Dana. But Dana signed one a contract. Why them attack and kill up themselves over this woman? The woman just a sign up contract here and contract there. Lord, you got them, she mad them. But anyway, people, she says she signed contract with God. Master says she signed contract with God. I mean, I don't know how she signed contract with because she always a chop up bad word. She need her more, and my granny used to say wash out with carbolic soap. I don't know if they still do that soap there, you know, carbolic soap. I don't see what I say one called Dettol soap. So maybe we can't get the carbolic soap again. We might as well get the Dettol one, yes. Because that might help. But anyway, and then I look at something when me I go talk about too. And the woman over by the book face. Yes, she a look for bus. Yes, she a look for bus. Because me know what she a look for bus long time. Can me see? She go all the way around Antigua go trouble. The Lady V down there. Yes, and can Lady V, Lady V did cuss her off in a very professional way last year, this year, yes, months ago, this was. So, me see her, I come out every minute, and when she do her beauty, she say, she a beautician, I don't know what kind of shan she is, but she do beauty, but when she do them, there's something there, she don't get much views, but me notice, she start to ripe and the lady back. Yes. You know the lady, the CEO of Facebook and the TubeTube. Yes. She starts to call for her name and Majesty name. And who is the other person name here she called too? Yes, she get no views when she call Lady V name. So, no, when she call for them name, she get views. When she do her station or beauty station or her thing, she don't get no views more than so. So I notice now every minute she come out with her kind of something, like a negative something. But somebody say, she come from the camp. You know the camp? One camp, one fight, cake, war. But at them no more in the war. I don't see nobody else a war with them, you know. At them no more war. So she come from the camp there because I know say, when of the time he hear, the way I'm saying I go give him in YouTube page because him no use it anymore. And she did over there and she put up her hand say she want it. But me not see nothing. Me not see she on the pages, so me don't know what did happen. If Dwayne changed his mind and then give to her anyway. But she a look stars too, yes. And she knows say when she call him my name. Because Lorraine they call the name a lot. I still a call the name. And Lorraine page get, what is it? Money to nice, yes. And she get stars. So they say, wanna know? I try to follow fashion to get stars too. But anyway, now go see what happened. Because her boss, she want a bus. Yes, she have car and she want a bus. Yes. So we don't know me see if she go buy bus, yeah? Yes. Alright then I just start me come to talk about. Yeah, no, me want just brush past the other lady there too. Yeah. Tina. Yes, me want to talk about her too. Yes. She want to sell cake. And when she ready now, she come out too. Because she want to sell her cake them, so she want to advertise, yes. But I think she's a bad person really, you know. I think she just follow fashion and she got the wrong way to promote her business. Yes. You know when people follow bad company? Yes, she follow company. And when you follow bad company, you can't use bad company promote your business. So, anyway, me will touch up on that topic another time. Yes, me brush it up another time. But me think she's a bad company she follow. I don't think she's a bad person. Alright, you know support her with her cake business, yeah. Alright then, we gone.